Hi, this is your Sussex County chiropractor, Dr. Will Holdsworth from Pain Relief Chiropractic. I'm going to do a video today. We had a viewer call us and was asking me a question about his MX Performance mouse that he just bought. This is the older version than what he just got, but it works the same way. There's a button here that's right behind the scroll wheel. You can set it in infinity scroll where it just spins constantly, or you push this button and it's a ratchet scroll, which helps for more precise scrolling. So what I was trying to explain to him over the phone is when you use your scroll wheel, go like this when you do it. You don't have to keep your hand on the mouse and scratch like this, because that does tend to cause a little bit overuse of the muscles here in your forearm. So you take your hand and you just put it like this to scroll up and down, up and down. If you need to be more fine-tuned with it, you just go like this. And then you resume back with your hand just resting on the mouse like this. So you do have to change the positioning of your hand if you do want to use the scroll wheel versus just regular pointing and clicking. So I hope that helps. Thanks for watching this video. I'm your Sussex County chiropractor, Dr. Will Holdsworth from Pain Relief Chiropractic.